Alright, right, guys, welcome back to Trey's Life and Games. Finally making another video.
Welcome to my game, player.
Kinda loud. So, let me see. Right, last time I got this. We're gonna try and beat this. Again. Do it again.
Welcome back. Let's continue. The next subject is memory.
Alright.
Awesome. Next up.
Square circle. Okay, I think I remembered this.
Awesome. Next up.
Circle, triangle, square, circle.
Good job.
Oh, I got it.
The next subject is math.
Thank you.
You are right. Next up. Awesome.
Again?
Next. Good job. Next.
Let's see, 39.
You are right. The next subject is
Attention.
attention. You are right.
Okay.
Next. You are right. Let's continue.
It's C again.
Good job.
Why
Let's
is it C?
continue. Awesome.
Okay.
Next up.
What?
You are right.
Oh.
The next subject is
Please be math.
geometry.
Oh,
You are right. Let's
no.
continue.
Oh, geometry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's wrong. The next subject is
Oh.
memory.
Okay then. Let's see. So,
That's wrong. Okay,
Oh, no.
that's all for now. Let's
Well-
continue after you get some rest. See you soon.
bye-bye. What are the next time specials?